Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about how to change subtraction to addition. How do you subtract integers? You have to first change the subtraction to addition, and then you follow our rules for adding integers. So, for example, if I give you something like 5 minus 4, you know how to do 5 minus 4. You don't have to worry about this. So I always say if it's an elementary problem where the first number is larger than the second, just do the subtraction and be done, right? But if it's not, okay, so 4 minus 7, okay, what we're going to do is we're going to change it to addition and use our rules for addition. Changing subtraction to addition means we are going to add the opposite. So if we are subtracting a positive 7, we're going to change that into adding a negative 7, okay? The opposite is addition. So, how are we going to do that? We're going to add a line, okay? The first thing, and I cannot emphasize this enough, you don't touch the first number ever, ever, ever. Leave the first number alone. Our first add a line is, we're simply going to do exactly this. We're going to change our subtraction sign to an addition sign. So we're going to take and we're going to add a line, and that changes the subtraction to addition. So this changes our subtraction to an addition sign. Our second add a line is to give us the opposite of the other number. So if this was a positive 7, I need to add a line to make it a negative 7. So 4 minus 7 is the same thing as 4 plus negative 7. Now I can follow my rules for adding a positive and a negative number together. Okay? Let's try another one. I'm just going to leave everything the same except that. So let's do negative 5 minus 8. Again, yes, I know this number is negative, but we don't touch it, don't touch it, don't touch it. Our first add a line is to change the subtraction to an addition. I add a line. My second add a line is to do the opposite of this number. It was positive 8. It's now negative 8. So I added a line to make it a negative 8. Let's try a new one. What if I'm subtracting a negative? So negative 5 minus negative 17. Again, we are not going to touch this first number. This is still the same. I'm going to add a line to change my subtraction to an addition. This is the same. I'm going to add a line to make this an opposite. This is negative 17. The opposite of negative is positive. So I add a line. And what I'm actually doing then is taking negative 5 plus 17. And that is how you change subtraction to addition.